Jonas Jonasson, bonjour.
Bonjour.
Un grand merci d'avoir accepté l'invitation de la Fringale culturelle. C'est un plaisir de vous rencontrer.
My pleasure.
On se rencontre aujourd'hui pour la toute première fois. Vous avez fait un gros carton, pas que chez nous, mais vous l'avez fait aussi chez nous avec un premier livre qui s'appelle Le vieux qui ne voulait pas fêter son anniversaire. Ensuite a suivi L'analphabète qui savait compter. Et aujourd'hui, on se voit pour L'assassin qui rêvait d'une place au paradis. Je vous pose une première question qui n'est pas originale. Pourquoi vous aimez autant les titres longs?
I don't know, they just come to me, and maybe there is some unconscious need as being a Swede to send a signal of that, no, I am not the crime novel author.
Jonas, dans ce troisième livre, vous avez un personnage central qui s'appelle Dédé le meurtrier, Johan Anderson. Vous pouvez nous en parler, s'il vous plaît?
Yes, I can. Hitman Anders, as I call him, he is certainly a victim for circumstances. He grew up in a shitty home, and yet he doesn't think that is relevant. He doesn't think he is a victim. That is the opposite to the other two main characters. They are upfilled with the fact, according to them, that they are victims for circumstances, so they are therefore allowed to act the way they want without feeling that they are responsible. With my hitman, it's the other way around, and he's the guy who end up on his feet at the end of the day.
Alors il y a ce personnage principal et il y a deux autres personnages autour de lui, un réceptionniste et une pasteur. Parlez-nous d'eux également.
First we have a female priest that doesn't believe in God, and then we have a male receptionist that doesn't believe in anything but himself maybe, and those two, they meet and they find that they have in common what I just referred to. They have a common that they are victims for circumstances. The priest, she became a priest because her father demanded it. The receptionist, he became a third-class receptionist because, according to him, that his grandfather spoiled all the family fortune.
Le personnage principal, ce prisonnier, Dédé le meurtrier, d'une certaine manière, il a sa seconde chance parce qu'il va arrêter la violence et il arrête la violence parce qu'il découvre la Bible.
Well, there is always in my books a certain amount of hope. If my main goal is to reveal or remind my readers about the shortcomings of mankind, then I have to put some hope in addition to it. Otherwise, I think it would be too heavy to digest. The hope in this case might be that my hitman,
Il y a de l'espoir dans vos livres, mais il y a surtout beaucoup d'humour. Parfois dans les situations on est dans l'absurde, c'est déjanté ce que vous proposez. Pour quelle raison, mais nous c'est un délice pour nous lecteurs, mais pour quelle raison vous avez cette patte-là?
Mankind is so shitty that if we didn't add humor and self-distance to it, I don't think we would survive. So I just do it for the best interest of us all. And I guess it is my way of because I really care about what happens in society, in the world, and again the shortcomings of mankind. And I guess the humor is my way to survive, and it works for me, and I'm happy to spread it to others.